Ever wished you could leap from flat illustrations into the exciting world of 3D design? Let's jump into Adobe Illustrator. First, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar, click and drag on your artboard to create a perfect square. Hold down the Shift key while dragging to ensure equal sides. Now, we'll make the second vertical side. Go to the Transform panel. If you don't see Transform, go to Window and click Transform in the width and height boxes. Keep the same dimensions and set the rotation to 30 degrees. Duplicate the square by holding down the Alt or Option key and click and drag until it is on top of the original square. Then drag that to the side until the sides meet up. Perfect. Next, we need to move our top and bottom squares. Select your shape. Use the Direct Selection tool. Select the endpoints that you want to move, dragging, moving, and aligning them to align with the side angle of the square. Our cube is taking shape now. Let's create the back side. Select Rectangle tool to create an equal square from the Transform panel. Set the width and height to the values of the original square. Rotate it to the same direction of the side square. Then, duplicate the square from the Transform panel. Again, use the Direct Selection tool. Select the endpoints that you want to move, dragging, moving, and aligning them to align with the angle. To add visual depth, let's add color. You can vary the color in each panel. Choose 3 colors that you like to make each side pop. Now you can build your own 3D cube in Adobe Illustrator. Well done. Congratulations.